The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Dallas County and north central Texas, northeastern Tarrant County and north central Texas until 6:15 p.m. At 5:51 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Bedford, moving south at 15 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Pantego, Arlington, and Delworthington Gardens around 6:15 p.m. This will impact the following interstates: Interstate 35 west between mile markers 51 and 70, Interstate 30 between mile markers 7 and 29, Interstate 820 between mile markers 8 and 29. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed.